It's Kevin O'Brien with Handelsblatt Global. I'm here today with Helge Petermann. Mr. Petermann is the managing director of River Street Capital, a New York-based private equity boutique advisory firm. Helge, thanks for being with us today. We're 40 days into the presidency of Donald Trump. There's some question about whether Mr. Trump will be able to deliver on his legislative priorities. One group that doesn't seem to have any doubt and has seemed to have bought the package is Wall Street. Is that true?
The market reaction to Mr. Trump's election has been very positive, and the markets have rallied. The equity markets are record highs, and we have seen some negative reaction in the bond market because people are concerned about potential deficit spending. And from that perspective, it's fair to say that the market for now is buying the package.
The president has proposed to deregulate and to cut taxes for business. This is music to the ears of investors. Do you think he'll be able to deliver?
In theory, the president should be able to deliver, but obviously the Democrats will be opposing a lot of his proposals. So we will see how long it will take to implement what he wants to deliver.
One of the elements of his proposal is a $1 trillion infrastructure program, accompanied by tax cuts, would suggest that the markets are now at the beginning of what could be a 4-year boom. Is that the mood on Wall Street right now?
I mean, there are always the risks of some short-term shocks that might upset the market. These can be political in nature or some global incident. But fundamentally, as I said, when the market has momentum, the market focuses on the positive, and that can go on for a while. And then, of course, there's the chance that things will start clicking on the infrastructure spending.
Since you grew up in Europe and you've spent 3 decades in New York City, there's a lot of question now about the future of the European Union and, as always, the future of the euro currency. What is the view from New York on A, the future of the EU, and B, the stability of the euro?
In the US, there's a more pessimistic view of what is in stock for Europe than certainly here in Germany. We'll see how all this plays out, but in the end, it's the Europeans who have to work out their respective problems, and it's not the Americans. They're just onlookers.